You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to delete a sticker on your iPhone in iOS 26. Open your messaging app like Imsage and start a new conversation or open an existing one. Tap the plus icon next to the text input field to open the app drawer. Then tap on the sticker icon, which looks like a smiling square, to view your sticker collections. Press and firmly hold down on the specific sticker you want to remove from your library. A quick menu will pop up on your screen. From this menu, select the option that says Delete Sticker. A final confirmation dialog box will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete this sticker. Tap Delete again to confirm, and permanently remove the sticker from your iPhone. The sticker will immediately disappear from your collection and will no longer be available to send in any of your conversations. This action cannot be undone, so ensure you want to remove it. To organize your remaining stickers, you can press, hold, and drag them to rearrange their order within your sticker tray. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.